Twice a year, we change our clocks for daylight saving time, a reminder of just how much timing matters. The same is true in copyright law. As the Rolling Stones noted, time waits for no one, and neither does copyright law. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or entrepreneur, understanding the key dates and deadlines in copyright law can help you protect your intellectual property and avoid costly mistakes. Does timing matter when you register a copyright? Yes. While copyright protection is automatic the moment you create an original work in a fixed, tangible form, such as writing it down or recording it, those basic, also known as common law, rights are limited. Registering with the U.S. Copyright Office can provide major additional benefits. Timing plays a critical role in what protections you receive. Early registration means stronger rights. If you register your work before an infringement occurs, or within 3 months of publication, you may be eligible for statutory damages and attorney's fees in a lawsuit if you win. Without timely registration, your only remedy might be proving actual damages, which can be much harder to quantify and just less in value. Waiting too long can hurt your case. Delaying registration won't take away your copyright, but it can weaken your ability to enforce it. If you don't register until after an infringement, your legal options become more limited. Whether registered or not, how long does copyright last? The length of copyright protection depends on when the work was created and who created it. Here's a quick guide. For works created on or after January 1st, 1978, copyright lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years. For works made for hire and for anonymous and pseudonymous works, though, protection lasts 95 years from publication or 120 years from creation, whichever is shorter. Now, for works published before 1978, the rules are more complex due to prior laws and renewals, but many works published before 1929 are now in the public domain. This is why you're seeing horror movies based on Mickey Mouse and Winnie the Pooh now. And I think Popeye next. Here are the key copyright law dates to remember. The creation date is the moment you create your work in tangible form and the date you automatically hold a copyright. The publication date is the date you make the work public. If you do publish the work, the 3-month registration window to maximize legal protections begins on that date. The registration date is the date the U.S. Copyright Office receives your application. This matters if you need to enforce your rights in court. Finally, we have the expiration date. When copyright protection ends, the work enters the public domain and is free for anyone to use without your permission. Staying on top of key copyright deadlines can save you trouble in the long run. If you create original content, whether it's books, music, art, or business materials, registering your copyright early and understanding how long it lasts can help you secure and enforce your rights. If you're unsure about timing in your specific case, consulting an experienced copyright attorney is always a wise move. Do you have questions about copyright registration or enforcement, especially about timing? Let me know in the comments.